Hey, way, my people. I greet everybody from Untouchable Mama. Also, now they fine. Una do what una take dey follow me, take dey share, comment, like. God go bless una. I appreciate una well, well. My people, this video I go just put am for una, more una watch am, more una lis ten to wetin happen to this man wey still dey dress like woman. Many people know am for social media. And dem take beat am, no be small thing. Oh yeah, everybody e go explain wetin happen to am. The thing dey make me dey laugh. Una know say some men dey wey dey do as woman still take dey do. Na wetin happen to am na im be this one wey go explain to una. Una go lis ten, una see. Una know say Naija na Nigeria for happen. Hey, dem no wan use eye take see people like that. When you say you be man, you come dey dress like woman, put phone for your breast, come dey do makeup, you come dey say you be woman. More na just lis ten, more na continue to dey watch this video, more na hear wetin happen to una, more na drop una comment wetin una think about wetin happen to am, whether na im good for am or una still pity am. But anyway, na still human being, no matter wetin. More na lis ten.
Can see my face, but no be small thing. They want kill area mama, but their plan no go work. They can only suffer me, but they cannot kill me. Oh, Koko work, no be small thing. Person they see for hook up business. So I know the one thing with me. I know they like to lie. Anything happen to me for this my hook up business, how they do, I go tell una. Some of na big girls and boys say they do hook up. More na they very careful, because hook up no be anyhow business. Say you go just enter. Because the journey no be here. You go feel face wetin dey for the journey. Na im be the thing. No be to do hook up be the matter. Whether you go feel face wetin dey for inside the hook up. So me na lis ten well to hear wetin area mama wan tell una about this in eye. How I take get this my injury for my face. Guys, I dey my house on Tuesday early morning, dey sleep. Around to 4, now one of my customer call me. And I need like to come out on Tuesday, Wednesday, Monday. No only Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, they like to come out. Even on Sunday, I need like to come out, go hook up. He come call me, say, what's up, babe? Are you in town? I say, no, I dey house. And now my customer, they pay me 15K, 20K for short time. When I know the one thing with a shower, money no they do a shower. Money no they do house. We like money like say tomorrow, no day. This man say make I enter town conscience, say you won't do short time. Now so I come dress up, come call my taxi driver, they always come pick me for night if I want come out. Tell us me come pick me for my area. Say I won't go see person this early morning. The taxi come pick me, come carry me, come go town, come go see this man. Me and this man come need this short time, he come pay me my money. So he got one of my friend, be hustler. She been carry belle born pikin, and ever since she born, I never go see her. She dey stay for Warimpa village side. Now I say, okay, may I use the opportunity to go Warimpa, go see her. Then when they don't break, that time 7 o'clock, I go they come back to my house. Because you don't tell she born picking, she they disturb me, say my conscience. Say tell she they even vex for me, and I'm my very close friend, tight friend. Now I come stand for that glow junction, either for who say 2 sides near Banis. Now one Uber driver come stop, say hello babe, where are you going to? Now I tell and say I dey go Warimpa. Because from that place can get Warimpa 200. Tell me saying they do Uber, I know they do drop. I say they go na alarm and they wait for. Because they don't already break. Now this side they turn around that kind to 6 now. It happen. Now it's have my enter, may drop me close to where I go enter motor they go Warimpa. So okay. As I enter, if you drive small, you go carry hand, they touch me for lap. They say, what's up now? You be fine girl. This your lap sweet to touch you. I say, oh God, respect yourself. No touch me again. Now, no say small, those Uber driver now, I shower them be they like, I shower. If this Uber driver drives me, carry hand, they touch me for lap. Now I say, hey, you dey find area mama trouble. This hand they touch me, this touching, but they touch me. You go pay, I go change them for you. He say, man, maintain now. Why me I dey do like this now? And she been they help me to go drop me where they go. Make me to help her. Say you go even cook my go drop me for Warimpa where I won't go. Now I tell and to say, now what thing make you want use advantage they touch me. I don't like this kind of thing. If you want to do business with me, make you talk price, make you do business with me. Now they come and they romance me for lap like say now small picking I be for hook up business. He comes okay now. Say this thing, the bola don't stand. The bola don't rise up. Say how much you go find me, make I help and do am, make the thing make pull. Now tell us okay, make give me 10,000, I go help am with 10,000 naira. He start by me, I know say na Uber driver him, the money no day now. So all of us with day street, we dey say as street day. I say okay, bring 8,000. He say he go give me 3,000 naira. I tell am say I no collect 3,000. Say last I go help you with na 7k. He come to say okay, he go give me 5,000. I say I no collect. Now that 7k I go help you. Unto say the way you take the complaint for me, they beg me. He comes okay, me we do am now, making the drive, they go make a they do am like this. You know that thing as normal thing now, they drivers they do. That classmate he give me my money. He say me I no vex, say he no get cash here, but if you reach that one pass side that they go, you go withdraw with ATM, carry give me. Now I no talk, I say I trust myself now. If you no give me my money, I go seize your handset. I know they for Chevy Cambia. Because if you send me enter street at the waka, they do hook up business. Now he come they drive, come open in bola. I come they do am like this. They drive motor, they do am like this. And this driver can't get himself. He can't reach that Guavin pass like that they go. I come tell and say, see ATM, may go withdraw my money, give me first before anything go happen. He come back, come go they press wrong pin. They waste time for ATM, say they withdraw money. Come they tell me say network they bad though. Say how you go be now. He make he give me 500 naira, make me enter another one for me. They go which way they go, make him turn back. Man give her my number, he go call me for night, give me the money. Now like say something they worry you for head. If like say they colo, if like say this is a small pikin they follow they talk to. I say see, this is my 16 years, I be 17 years for this hookup business how they do. If you try me ba, if I use the expression and make me enter this business how they do ba, I go kill you this money. You dey mad? Which have man collect 500, enter another one, they go make it turn back, they go man give you my number. He go call me for night, give me the money. I say you dey crazy. Wait, you look me like say I be JJC for Ashawo work, I be waiting. Now I change them for the driver, carry handset they inside motor. As I carry you come they drag the phone with me. Instead make I give her, say I no go give her. Except him give me my money. See when fellow drivers they pass, come they stop, they join hand, they fight me, they drag this phone from my hand. And I know all these drivers they sabi cooperate, they like their self each other well. When they see when bad thing they happen to their member, they go come they park, they join hand, they fight. Now I vex carry this phone, feeling grab and forget and the screen go break. Come on my week throw, wait forget with my clothes. Now they call even nothing a man I do. Me and them come they fight, they come they beat me, they reach more than 7. So I get one vigilante guy be stand around that place. He come carry phone, come call him members, say make them carry keke come. Say he get where fight they happen. We dey for the vigilante come say they want arrest me and the man go their office. I say I no go follow them go. They no be police. Make them carry us go station. They say that from their office they will carry us go station first. They come carry us put inside motor, come go their office. As we reach their office now, they come ask me, I can't explain to them. Now vigilante been there that money. Now all these small boys now ain't dated. Small boys vigilante. The organ never come. All these small boys, useless small boys, they take all this smoke, all this thing they make them high. Now this driver come go bribe them with 5,000. So make them beat me well. Make them tie me, beat me well. Break my body. Now I can't explain what happened today. They don't want to listen to what I want to tell them. They can't support the driver. What the driver talk. Can't begin they beat me, they fight me. Me and them can't they fight for their office. The organ never contact now. All these small boys now then they the office. They can't they fight me, they beat me. Then plenty the vigilante. Me and them can't they fight. They can't carry hand they blow me for eye. Then blow me this thing. Carry hand tie me like this. Me and then they drag. They carry the driver content and make them carry phone, they video me. Say me I talk, say me I do something. He suck me, this and that. Say me I suck and this and that. Make them carry phone, they video me. Make I repeat what I talk, say me I not do anything. Say because she and they catch them before they will come to say, nah man, you carry go, they do something, no be woman. They carry phone, they video me. Say make I repeat, say me I not do anything. We not do anything, still me first and this and that. Then say make I they talk, say me and the driver not do anything, they go leave me. Then carry phone, they video me, they beat me. I can't say okay, me I not do anything, Muna leave us, I know soccer, I not do anything. I talk that up, unto say up, say they go release me if I talk and they not still release me. Then tie me, beat me like this. These people, they never want kill me. If not besides stronger for die. Now they old then tie me like this, my two and tie, carry my two and tie and they beat me. The organ come around that time 8 or 9. Come see me. So what thing happen? Why they tie me like that? Now they come, the organ wants to make them lose me. The organ a very nice man, na good person. They can't lose me. The man come, they ask me, I can't carry this matter, explain to the man. Now the man come to say, what? Say they will carry us, they go Guarimpa police station. Now the driver come do like say the answer, come outside, come run. He called me, only me for that. Now this driver come do like say the answer call fast, I can't enter a motor, come run. Vigilante come hold me for that place. Now you go got the vigilante or got the call those vigilante guys. Say why they go tie my hand like this? They beat me like this, like that I be animal. They won't kill me. Eh? Now they come they tell the oga say, the driver to say, me at the life on head say me a soccer. And you know, and me a no soccer. Me I say I soccer and this and that. Say even 219, he been carry me 219. Say me I thief him phone for 219, thief him money. And today he can't see me again. And me I can't still carry him phone again. He can't they fight me, this and that. Now they drive the vigilante oga content and say, when something happen between two people, no they conclude only what one person talk because when I know they when the thing they happen, the thing happen between two of them. Nobody there. Nobody can judge each other. The man tell and say me I carry him phone 219 and him money. When I when the thing happen for 219, this money all happen. Two of them, me and the man go do something. Whether them day when the thing happen, they know what thing will conclude. They're not supposed to start to they beat me like this, won't kill me like animal. Because of what the man tell them. And the man say make them tie me hand, they beat me, they video me, make me at the beggar, say I not do anything with them, this and that. Now the other converse, come the quarrel and tell them say, please say some of them don't know their work they're supposed to do. Say if they kill me now, for nothing now, what if they want take government? Come the quarrel and say it's like they don't know their work, say he go sack some of them. Now the other come they ask me what thing happen, I can't carry this thing, explain to them. He can't tell me say, but me. So why me I go they carry the man phone because of say no gree pay me. Now I say, Oga, this business how they do, I know they use that they play. Now this business how they take help myself. Not be to that they do. So person not use me do yeah for this business how they do. Say because I don't come outside come to look zoom my work for nights. Say now nothing make me I carry the man phone so that I go feel be able to give me my money before I give him info. Now the vigilante come to say, as the driver don't run now, they go carry me go police station. Now I say, okay, Muna carry me they go police station. It go even better for me, pal, because this na office una they like this. Una no sabi una work. Una won't kill me for here. Now he say, they carry me go police station. From there they carry me go court. Now I say, I tell you, they fear to go court. You know what I don't pass through for this my night cook up they do. Did I tell you that I'm scared of going to court? Let's go. They go. When judge go ask me, I say where my second day. When police go ask me, I say where my second day. I go know what I go explain to police people. Now the vigilante or got to say, okay, no wahala, make a cop person go pay me, make them release me, make a they go. They say me I go pay myself with 50,000. Something I say for waiting, I want the open eye for them. Say for waiting, how I go use 50,000 pay myself? Now person I key. I can't say no, I'm not going to use 50,000 pay myself. I'm not going to pay past 5,000 or 10,000 before I come up for here. It's the what thing we do now, big crap. And me and man, I do something. No be me and woman do something. This and that. If they carry us go court, and police go even collect big money pass like that. I say them when they carry me, they go court. Now I can say, see, I be every man for street. I can say, Oga, this thing I pass through from our office, that's small thing comparing to the one I don't pass through for this night for car too. There's nothing you go tell me about this business I they do. I no go tell you say Saturday be. I say Oga, I go like Muna carry me go police station. If police won't carry me go court, Muna carry me go court. That money, the better man use and bear myself for court than say I can't give you now. It's the way me I they talk now. I say yes. Man not say me I be JJC for this work I they do. I don't take for street. I be area mama for street. He say what thing they worry me? I say no. I'm not gonna use 50,000 bear myself. He say me then go lock me inside. They can't go lock me inside now. For instance, they can't detain me. I sleep for inside and reach the next day. Now, one of them come meet me. Say, make I bear myself come on for me. I know they suffer myself. Say, because the driver now don't run. Now only me come they suffer. This and that. See, they can't trouble driver come put me. This Uber come put me. Now the other come to say, okay, make I bring 30,000 bear myself. So I no go bear myself with 30,000. I yes, I go give you now 15,000. I get 15,000 for my bag. Guys, the 15,000 you say that my me been do hook up, give me I put inside my bag. Those vigilante guys don't even go take my money inside bag. Those vigilante, they are nothing but a criminal. Them be thief. Police not supposed to sign those people to they do vigilante work. Those people they not sabi do their work. Now criminal them be. They go take my 15,000 inside my bag. Ma come out 15,000 pay myself and not see money again. They say they don't know person carry. They don't know person keep the bag. Nobody believes in I ain't carry the money. I tire. My smartphone don't run. There's no way for me to call person go come pay me. I can't remain for that. So what thing I go do now? I don't get anybody number off it. Maybe my friends I go call. My smartphone battery don't run that. Now they say if they know if I not call person go bring, they'll carry me go police station. I call business station. If they carry me go police station now, police no go release me. I go still pay myself for police station. Now I come back there. Make them carry some of him boys follow me. Carry me put for motor to come my area. Man, I come carry my second phone, do transfer for them, make them feel release me. He said me I go pay for their transport going and come back. I say yes. 4 people come follow me, put me for motor, come my area. I can't carry my phone, my second phone, can't do transfer for them of 20,000. Now 20,000 they say me I go take them myself last. Guys, now start I use 20,000 go dash this vigilante for nothing. Now so person they all